Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're at the Pack Dream Hotel. Babusa Top's just that way a little bit, so we're Lahore side of Babusa Top, which is good. And now I've just got to, they want to interview me for another TV show, so that's all right. I've just got to move the bike into the car park so they've got better light. I'll speak to you on the road, guys. Well guys, it's so cold, I don't know how long the helmet cam's going to last, but here we go. I'm going to head up the road a bit, have some breakfast. I should probably check fuel. Hang on. See if I can get some fuel maybe. I don't know if anyone's here to give me fuel. There's someone walking across the road, but nobody's in a hurry here. Nope. Oh well, I've got plenty of fuel. I'll be all right. I should have got it last night. I was going to, but it's icy, guys. Once you get out of that sun, it's freezing. But I can see a sunny valley in front of me, but it just doesn't seem to be getting any closer. It's so cold. I forgot to film it. I'm stupid like that sometimes. But I just met this amazing group of bikers on the side of the road. They filled my pockets with dates that are just absolutely delicious. Friendly. So I've had 2 interviews already this morning. They interviewed me on camera at the guy back at the hotel. Everyone's just so excited to meet me. It's humbling really, but guys, I'm not hungry. I've eaten so much of those guys' dates, I think they were. But I think I will stop for a cup of chai. Nice, warming, hot cup of chai. Because it's freezing. In the sun it's not so bad, but as soon as you get in a bit of shade. And I'm glad I decided to stop here for my cup of tea. Just look at this happy family. Everyone grinning. Look at the smile on this guy's face. That just says Pakistan all around. Thank you, my friend. Shukriya and salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Hey guys, that was another restaurant owner that refused to take my money. It's only a cup of tea, but still it's such amazing people. I truly love this country. And we must be at a bit of altitude because I'm panting like an old man. And to those that are laughing right now, no, I'm not an old man. And not even 5 minutes from where I got given a cup of tea, I stopped and talked to these guys, and now they've given me a cup of coffee. I really love this country.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Paul. And I love your, you stayed and you stop here and have a greeting with us, a conversation with us. I like your greeting style, and I like your bike, and you are coming from throughout Australia. I am very surprised, and it's wonderful, it's also motivational for us to keep our interest on bikes and ridings and exploring the northern areas of all over the world.
It's amazing. Thanks for the coffee, guys. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Sure. And now everyone's coming to say hello. Ah, hello, sir.
How are you? I'm fine.
I'm very good.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. That was a strong cup of coffee, guys. I'm buzzing, but it just shows I've been riding maybe 20 kilometres. I had a bunch of bikers feed me dates. I had that restaurant gave me free cup of tea. And if they hadn't have given me a free cup of tea, the family I was talking to would have paid for it. And now these guys giving me coffee. I love this country, guys, really. Everyone's so happy that I'm here. Guys, the back door of a bus was open, so all the luggage is bouncing around. I could see it was about to fall out. So we stopped at a police checkpoint. And I was telling them, go and look, go and look. And then I had about 10 people standing around, people that spoke English, and I'm saying, go and have a look at the back of the bus. And nobody would go and have a look. And after about 5-10 minutes, one of the soldiers went and looked, and eventually I had all the people on the bus thanking me, the driver thanking me, guys, I just stopped to take the shirt off because now we're out of the mountains. It is so hot. So hot. But it happened to be where I stopped. These guys said, come and have breakfast, come and have breakfast. So I'm sitting here, egg, paratha, chai. I'm very happy. Just how bad this road was. But at least last time I had it to myself, but now I've got all these weekend drivers. Well guys, I've come to the backstreets of Abbottabad, battled traffic, come into this pretty sketchy area, but everyone seems really friendly, everyone's happy. And the reason I've come in here is because this was the Bin Laden compound. This is where he drew his last breath, where the Navy SEALs killed him. And there's a lot of controversy whether it happened or not, but guys, I've got no idea, so I can't comment on that. But if you ask the Pakistanis, there's a lot of different stories. But do you think this is where he died?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so I think the people that say it wasn't here, it's conspiracy theories, like everything. But yes, this was the Bin Laden compound. Hey guys, so I've been speaking to a lot of the locals, and they 100% believe this is where it happened. And that because there's stories that he died like months before in other places and things, and there wasn't much left of his body when it happened. But everyone here, all these guys, say hello guys. Everyone believes 100% that this is where it happened, and they were here, they're the locals. So I think this is where the Navy SEALs broke in and killed Osama Bin Laden. Just incredible guys. Now it's just a bit of concrete on the ground. Morning guys, all loaded up, ready to go. We're in Islamabad. Yesterday was a big ass day. I was going to stay in Abbottabad where we saw the Bin Laden's compound, but I couldn't find a hotel, so I ended up booking in here at 7:15. I was in my hotel room last night, and I left my other hotel at 7 o'clock yesterday morning, so that was a big ass day. We've got 6.5 Google Maps hours to Lahore, so we might make it today, we might not though, because I'm pretty wrecked. I really am pretty wrecked. But let's see, shall we? There guys, and this is it, started already. We're on the outskirts of Islamabad, I hope. So there shouldn't be too much of this. I need an ATM, but the ATM at that hotel didn't work. Guys, look at this guy in front of me with a homemade shotgun. More likely to blow himself up than anyone else. Well, the guy just pulled me over. He's seen me from the other side of the road, done a U-turn, he's heading up north. And he's part of the Riders Club of Pakistan. Yeah, so he's just organised for me to meet them all in Lahore. He's organised, he knows the mechanic that will fix the radiator when I come back from Australia. So that was a good stroll. In about 2 weeks you'll be on my YouTube.
Okay, this is the channel?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
But put that there.
Okay, I will when I go.
Okay, my friend.
Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you.
Morning, guys. All loaded up, ready to go. We'll be in Lahore in a couple of hours. Now, I'm not even going to show you this hotel because it was just terrible, guys. $100 a night, which is far more, double what I'd expect to pay in a luxury place, but I had no choice. I was just about dead. My ass was hurting. But then there was no hot water. The food was just terrible. This morning for breakfast at a 5-star hotel, I got 2 cold pieces of toast and 1 egg. And it was just, anyway. I'm not going to show it though. Normally I would show you this and say don't stay here, but they gave me $50 back. And they didn't charge me for the hamburger and things I had last night. So, yeah. Otherwise, guys, I'd be showing you this terrible, terrible hotel. And one of the places I stopped yesterday looking for a hotel was this banquet hall, marriage banquet hall. And they offered me a cup of tea. I said, look guys, I just want to find a room. I'm so exhausted, but I'll come back in the morning. Now I'm back here again. All my anger from the other hotel is gone. Look at the smile on these guys' faces. How could that not fill your heart? Goodbye, my friends. Back in it, guys. City traffic. 30 minutes to my hotel. We're going back to the Premier, the Best Western Premier that we stayed at that we were here before. Guys, it's about 40 degrees Celsius, humid as anything, and I'm in full riding gear. I'm stuck in this traffic for about 45 minutes. I've got 2 soda waters in my bag, two big teddy air waters. They're going to be hot, but at least I know there's a fridge in this room. Oh, hello, Australia, Australia. Really driving me a little bit mad. Nice, I can see my red marker on my Google Maps. I think, oh guys, that was a long 4 days getting here, but I'm here. I can do nothing for the rest of the day. Well, we made it, guys. I'm exhausted. I've spent a couple of hours in my room relaxing, just waiting for my dinner. Mutton kebab and chicken barbecue and paratha. I'm hungry, but I want well done, my friend, please. Well done.
10 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I'm in no hurry. I want it well done, thank you.
Right.
And yeah, this is the streets of Lahore from my hotel. I like it here. This is where I stayed last time I was here. I think it cost me about maybe $200 for 3 nights, but I get $50 of that back. It's just a deposit in case you get room service and things. And that's Australian dollars, so around 130, yeah, around 140 US maybe. Well guys, this is the swimming pool. I hope you can hear me over the call to prayer. Oh, that was a big few days, guys. The last couple of videos, I've hardly moved for 24 hours. Well, I've edited 3 videos, so, and that's, other YouTubers will tell you that's a lot of work. But I haven't got out of bed though. Just for dinner last night, breakfast this morning. Hello, my friend. Salam alaikum. Now, I've got plenty of footage to finish this video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.